Okay, so the main issue with cases with glass front panel is that it sometimes impairs airflow because the gap between the front glass and the fan is not enough. Usually, if it's less than I think around 3 to 4 centimeter, then definitely it will impair airflow. So what you need to do to improve thermals is increase the gap between the front fan and front intake fan and the front glass panel. So what you need to fix this issue is that you need to find something like a plastic wall plug like this, or you need to find some washer or rubber grommet. Okay, so the other thing you will need is you need a elongated 3 mm screw. Usually you can find this kind of screws for radiator mounts. So now what you need to do is you need to put the screw into the case, and then you put the grommet between it. Then after that you mount the front panel to the screw. The grommet or the washer or the plastic plug will create a gap so that sufficient airflow can flow into the case.